Hello and good afternoon. We're going to start another gaming session. Name of the game is Eli. Uh, Today I'm gonna use different type of controller. Yeah, not the one on the Nintendo Switch. I use this one because for better jumping techniques. Char. Let's continue our game, finding the different crystals. Char. Sabi? Jump, jump, jump. Shadow, napay delay ani. Okay. Here's Gusty again. To the dungeon with Yusuduwa. Wow. To the dungeon. Ala, na personal na siya. Oh no. Excuse. I haven't been in this part of the game pa. Actually. Lah, it's very dark. Ay, nako. Where this will slow us down. Here, walang ano dito. Anything. Ah, ka-weird sa sa background music ko eh. Damn, how am I supposed to know where to go? I guess yeah. Oh, see? Ano to? Am I supposed to just... Ayun. No! Wait. One, two. There will be light. Finally. What the heck? Yes. Manjagora. Teolola. Trust your lantern to guide you and don't get lost into it. Dobo, please say hi from her. She left me here years ago to go hunt for a treasure. Huh? How many years have you been waiting pala? Ito na tayo dito. Na naman tayo sa... If di ko pa jump tira, asa ko pa dulong? Wala namang path dun. So left. Ayun. There's another entrance there. Shucks. Kalisod ani eh. But how can I explore different paths if ano, if I can't see it? Sige na nga. Kaya, pwede lang ang background music. Ano eh, nga naman din yung background music. Ano na dungeon level. Grabe, pati walking, it's gonna be hard na. Shucks. I can't run. I can't anything. I just need to walk slow because kunting maling tansya ka lang, mahuhulog. Meow, 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 meow. There's something in the dark. Tatlo. Okay. Thanks. Oh, what the heck? What the hell? Ulit, ulit, please. What the heck? How to open that? One. Hmm. What if? Paano to i-open? Am I supposed to just jump here? Oh. What did that do? Kadaming puzzle. Art muna be please. Thanks. I'ma try this one out lahat. Another arrow. Oh. So it's just another na another key there. Ayun, may key. Pero paano ako magpunta dun? Wait. Baka kailangan ko to ibaba lahat. Ayun. Something happened. I don't know what. Hmm. Paano ba? Siguro may combination to ba? Ah, anyway. Balik daw ako sa kabila. Ang pahirap ng pahirap. One, two, three. What's this for? Dun para muna siguro ako mag-una. Ah! Grabe. Hirap ah. Uy. Grabe. Mura manig Silent Hill inyong background music. Uy. Ahaha. Binuksan yon pero kanina nakatawid na ako kahit wala yun. Funny. Saan to papunta? There's another door. Shucks. Huh. Meron pa ba ibang path? Oh, shucks. I guess I'm supposed to go there. Sa kabila. Fudge. Kanipis na stone. Hindi na open na yun eh. Baraan ako dire eh. I did my best. But I guess my best wasn't good enough. Nga. Diba? Ow. Dito. Ibang path dito. Oh. Open na. Amazing. What is this? Ayun. Nakakuha na ako ng isa. Yung doors na ano dito. Pwede buksan dito. Shucks. Dito. Hindi siya mabuksan. So, yung sa kabila. What? Hirap nito. Madilim. Murag akong kaugmaon diri dulong. How to get out of this dungeon. Ay! Dahil pwede mag fast walk ba? Objective 1 secured. this one. Mali pala. Okay na, na-secure ko na ang key. Saan ako dito next? Agbong pa dyan. 1, 2, 3, 4. How to get there man? Ay. Oh, this looks promising. Kani. Taas kani. Kaya kakambak sa dool. Okay, finally. Finally, progress. Phew! Just need to get this key. Paano nga ako balik? Paano ko balik dun? Tapos, balik tayo dun sa... Oh, okay. Ah! Hindi na lang talaga ako gi-revive doon sa malapit na save point. Ah. Miss, pakitigil lang, please. Yung pagpapantasya. Di ka na nakakatuwa. Papagulpin na kita sa gwadya may batuta. Ya. Yes! Finally. Okay na yun. At least susot na. Grabe kahirap. Na. It's a maze pa talaga. When the flips in, turn right. Find corners. Oh, yun. Meron silang ano. Dito tayo sa ano. Pero, dead end. Dead end. Oh shit, man. Ah, there's another. Oh, man. Shucks. I only have one life to give. Meron pang darts dito, pre. Hoy, wala pa dyan exit. Napaingani na mais. Ano ba yan? Darn it. Where to go? Give me some answers. This is a dead end. I saw a dead end. So I guess turn right. What does this do? Go back to the... Ano? There's the gong. Hmm. Tatlo. Ay, salamat. May save point. Wait long. Dead end. I don't like this one. Shucks, ako pa talaga na hindi ako magaling sense of direction ko ba? Wait lang. Kanina, let's explore the right side. Things. Then end. Huh. Wait. Let's explore muna the right side of things kasi kung dead end yung right side, at least we now know that the continuous path is on the left side. Pero, kasi it still goes on, so it's all dead end. So, the best path is the left side, right? Just continue going left. Wait, where's that thingy? Huh. Shemai. Should I just go back to... Never mind. Darn it, I'm stuck. No, that's left. Let's try to move forward. Find the path forward. Up, 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 up. Dead end. Sheesh. No, I'm lost. Huh. Try left side here. Yep. Nah, I can't go back. Shock, so I need to find another path. That's a dead end. That's another dead end. To go right, that's a dead end. Shucks, 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 shucks. Yeah. Ah. Wah! Almost died, almost died, almost died. Oh, oi, 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 aray, 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 shucks. I'm gonna die here. Unless I see a save point. I need the save point. Wait, there's a key there. No. I guess this is it. Pansit. 1, 2. Ah ha ha ha. How to estimate jump at the top view. Saan ka papunta? Pero ito lang yun. The difficult part of it, jumping from the top view, is you can't estimate how long have you been jumping. Is there like... Is this the... Oh! Can we go out to of the dungeon na? I really need to go out of the dungeon. I hate the dark. Supposed to find another pattern or not? What's the next step? So paano to? I can't go out. I need to find the wizard. I guess this is the alternative route. Diba no? Mahirap na mag-jump nung normal, may lights pa and everything. Ngayon pa kaya na medyo dilim-dilim na. I'm a deads. There's the wizard. Kaso, if I make one wrong step, patay tayo dito. Babalik na naman ako dito. Ito yung mahirap. Gabi na ito ka-challenging. Oy. Shucks, asangat. Padulong ba? And I'm supposed to skip the... Oh, fudge bars. Fudgy bars. Fudgy bars. I only have one life to give. Please don't die. Supposed to take this over there. Did I just throw it? Hindi ko pa siya pwede ma-throw. Wag na lang. Alanganin. Wala na. Babalik na naman ako dun. Kuha ako ng box. Kainis what's in here pala? Oh. Yun eh. Kinuha mo pa kasi. Ano na? Ano na? Kasi daw, hindi daw ako afraid sa heights. Kaya, ang next level is the dungeon. Ay, nako. Which is the something in the dark. Ay, nako. Pero, mas prefer ko pa rin yung mga level nun sa previous. Kainis tong madilim na portion na. Ah, ay, don't fall, don't fall. Fuchsia pink. Ayoko na. Kainis. Ano ba to? Wait lang. Hmm. Ah. It's very, very. I hate that. Wait lang. Wala dito eh. Oh. Hmm. Ito guys. Ay, wait. Gets ko na. Ay, dito. Dito ang key pala. Okay. Need the path here. Para makadaan. Ano ba ibang pattern dito? Ay, wala. Same lang. Doon tayo sa may Beyblades. Tagal ko na di nag-ano. Nag-throw ng dishes. Highways. Dito, dead end. Sa kabila daw. Okay. Tapos lusot tayo dito. One. Ay! Hirap. Takbo. Jump. Thanks. Uy. Ah! Ay! Fudge. Ito. Wizard. Thanks. At least hindi na ako kailangan akyat kung saan ako galing. Yun. Tayo dun sa Beyblades. Dito. Ay, finally. Gusto ko na makalabas sa dungeon. Not another maze. Fudge. What the heck? Hirap na itansya yung direction. Ganito pa kayo. Dilim pa. Ano ba yan? Creepy. Creep. Dili ta dapat magtuga-tuga o papaspas kay basig mahagbong na pud ta. Okay. Layo pa. Oh, ano to? Wala other path. Wala other than there. Paano ba yun? Unless ito pala oh. Eh. Oo. Oo. Saan to? Uy! Sheesh. Hindi na ako makasaka. Wah! Sobrahan pagkahulog, girl. My gosh. Ako na. Huwag ka na kasi mahulog. Nakadaghan. Basig pwede ra sa gilid maglakaw-lakaw. Pag Beyblade lang mo dira. The other thing is dire. Pero ang pot is na dire. Okay. Wish. Chill, 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 chill. Nasaan ang next spot? Sa pataas. Yun. Yay! Dungeon gyapon. Pwede dili. Pwede dito. Wait lang. Ay. Pero dead end scam. Seryoso, wala mo'y budget mo. Buta og mga lanterns diri sa dungeon. That's not what the dead end. Yeah. Left, right. Right. Pero, ang continuous is nasa left. Hindi ka dito. Left pa jud, girl. Sa'yo na, diri. Dead end yun. Wala may something dito. Padayon sa diri. Ouch. I need to be fast pala. Shucks. Grabing trust sa... Ay! Middle. Shucks. Ay! Buti na lang walang space in between. Kala ko mamamatay na ako. Pwede last na to ng dungeon. Ayoko na ng dungeon. No. No choice. Hindi dyan. So, dito. Oh. Saan eh? Asa ang wizard? Ito ang wizard. Ah. Later na. Hindi ko pa yun nabuksan eh. Dabi, tanaw na ka pattern kani, padulong dito, pasaka, tapos, paana. Ah, okay. So, maabot siya. Matry daw this one. Pick up. Hindi na ko siya madala. Saan man eh? Kabalon ako. Masunog siya. What if? Throw ko to dito para andam na daan. Oh, 'di ba? Tapos, ano ko to dito. Dito yan. Oh, 'di ba? Yay! Tapos, ito na naman problema ko. Yung bridge. Which means, pick up ko to dito. Tas, tapon ko dito. Ay! So nga. Dapat dito lang yan siya. Ay, hindi. Dapat pala, i-throw ko siya sa kabila. Wait, mali. Try ko. Try ko ulit. May ano din siya dun ba? Okay. Strategy. Yun. Dalawa. Ay, ito to. Tapon mo yan dito. Tapos yung isa kunin mo. Tapos tapon mo rin dyan. Para ay boba. Yan, dalawa na. Para ito, lagay mo to dito. Tapos, ito yung ilagay mo dun sa kapila. Yan. O, diba? Tamang strategy na yun. Dead end. Hmm. May time ka pa maghanap ng treasure kay hirap-hirap to na. Go by. Walay G, walay D. Yay! Makagawas na ko sa dungeon. Why is this? Oh, treasure! Wow! Thank you. We deserve it kasi ang hirap nito na levels. Yay! Yay! Makagawas na ko sa dungeon. Not yet. And at last, I see the light. Finally. Kahirap ng dungeon. Heist. Sakto. Breath of fresh air. So, end this stream here kasi medyo mahaba na siya. Thanks for watching this episode and see you till next gaming session of Eli. Thanks for watching.